Hello guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my last video. So this is the second part of the origami modular Swans. So guys, so after that we need to take single piece and join it like here. Yeah, after that we need to finish the whole circle. So let's do. So after finishing all that you have to do like this. And now we are going to do the upper thing. First connect it like this and finish it up to a height. So after finishing this thing we need to fit the neck. Now for making the neck we need to take 3 pieces and join it like the same that we did before, like this. And now we need to join this both together and continue. After you get a nice round shape like this, you can fit like this. And now you have to finish a nice round shape to make a curve. And now take a black piece and fit it upside down so it looks like this, and take a orange and upside down like this. And now you get a neck. So now for the finishing part we need to fit this neck with the body. After that we need to make sure there are 3 pieces and place a piece of triangle there so you can fit the neck. And now the neck is going to be fit here. Now there we go, the origami swan is ready. If you need more things, if you need wings or back tail, you can add like this. Now for the tail we need to take 10 pieces of paper and take one piece and do it like this. And make sure you doing it right, not like this. Don't like this, will not get it correct. You have to do it like 4 pieces for the base and 3 pieces. 4 3 2 1. So you have to take. Now the tail is almost getting ready, like this. Put one thing like here and connect it. The tail is so easy to make, so connect it like this. All you have to do is connect. So and do like this. the tail is ready. And now for the fitting, we need to take the swan and find the correct opposite of the neck. Yeah, there it is. And fit it. Yeah, so guys, after fitting the tail, it should look like this. And now like, share, subscribe. This is the origami modular swan. Turn on to my channel for the next video and rock out.